Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen how to safely remove the XFC desktop using terminal in EndeavourOS. Now we will see how to install the Gnome desktop using terminal in EndeavourOS Artemis. So let us start. I have already opened the forum page where the instructions are given to install the different desktops, and also I will provide the link of this forum page. Whenever possible, I have given you the link to the EndeavourOS forum pages for the installation and the deinstallation of the different desktop, so you can follow the manual from the forum. So now let us start. So let us copy the command syntax. Now I have already booted up the virtual machine. So without wasting time, let us open the console. Search for the terminal, paste the command, add Gnome extras. So it will install additional Gnome applications. Enter your sudo password. So there are 59 members in the group Gnome repository extra. So these are the applications available in the Gnome extras repository, and the repository community has got Gnome boxes and the simple scan. So you can enter the individual number of the package. So you can enter like 1 2 3 4. You can omit some of the packages, but we will do a default all install. So you have to just click enter, then it will install the Gnome desktop. So if you don't use the Gnome extras, then it will install the minimal Gnome desktop, and if you use the Gnome extras, it will install all these packages over and above the minimal packages available in the Gnome desktop. So we just enter and this will start. Okay, there is some syntax error, so you have to be very careful with the syntax. So okay, so it is not extras, it is extra. Okay, so what to do is we have to rerun the command again, remove the S from the extras. Now re-enter. So you have to just input enter for the default all selection. So now it is showing you the members in the Gnome extra. So these are the extra applications available in the Gnome extra. So I think there are some games only. So do we need to install these games? I think no, but there are some other required apps like the Gnome sound recorder. Gnome tweaks is there. This is important to do Gnome tweaks, Gnome usage. Gnome builder maybe not required for everybody, but deconf editor, yes, we can, all users can use this. Evolution is there. So here the evolution in email client is not there. So let us install everything. No need to remove anything. Let us install all the packages. So now it will resolve the dependencies. So default is first, that is the Noto fonts emoji. So second option for the emoji font is TTF joy pixels. So Noto fonts emoji, I think Noto fonts emoji everybody is using. Let us try to go for the TTF joy pixel. Let us see what is the TTF joy pixel. We will be able to experience the TTF joy pixel. So let us input the selection, that is number 2. Now there are 5 service providers available for the XDG desktop portal implementation. So GTK XDG portal KDE, that is from the extras repository, and from the community repository there is XDG portal LXQT and the portal WLR. So I think WLR must be a Windows manager, but we will go with the Gnome, that is the first one, and it is also default one. So the first selection. So the total download size will be 404.78 MB. Let us do it. Confirm with yes. Now we have to just wait for the installation to complete. We will reboot the desktop, and in the next video we will do the review of the GNOME desktop. So this will be a GNOME full installation. So we will be able to check out the different apps available in the GNOME extras. Okay, so the installation is completed. I will stop the video here. We will meet in the next video where we will check out the Gnome desktop. This Gnome desktop is a full installation, and it will be having the latest versions of all the packages, because this is a Arch based distro, so it has got all the latest packages. So that will be an added bonus for us to check out. So bye bye, see you in the next video.